Affiliate marketing tips that have been proven to work. Affiliate marketing can utilize a lot of various strategies depending upon whom you ask or talk to about it. We all know that it depends upon your products and affiliate program. However, that does not indicate that you should overlook your site. Take some time to better your online existence and better your affiliate marketing technique. Ask an affiliate program for recommendations. A credible business will offer you links to sites that are benefiting from their collaboration. If the business refuses, or says they do not understand, this is probably not a business that you wish to deal with. Only select a company you would be willing to risk your credibility for. Understand that you are never ever carried out in enhancing your marketing methods. On the planet of affiliate marketing, there is always something new occurring that can increase your click-throughs, drive more visitors to your site, or improve your analytics. Keep your ears and eyes open for these new ideas and see if they have value for you. In order to utilize affiliate marketing, you should understand what keywords are being searched for. They will be utilizing keywords that could help you see if you have effective marketing projects if someone is searching for you. This will also reveal you which marketing strategies are not working for you. When using affiliate marketing, you ought to keep a list of all suggestions or concepts that you have. If you are out and think of a terrific way to increase your revenues, compose it down. You can put it to utilize the next time you look at your website. As you learn your note-taking abilities, you can begin to produce projects from your concepts. Discover sites that share similar topics to yours and ask if they want to trade backlinks. The better the quality of the websites that connect back to your material, the greater your Google page rank will be. Increasing your special visitors will always increase your affiliate sales. Double-check all your affiliate marketing projects as typically as possible so you can eliminate any programs that aren't working for you and concentrate on those that are producing earnings. This will produce even more earnings by increasing the variety of links and amount of appropriate material to the business, the outcome being increased sales. One good way to examine a prospective affiliate marketing partner is to examine the material they give to potential customers, such as their sales letter. You can learn a lot about an affiliate by seeing how they treat their customers. If the affiliate is someone you would buy from, believe in yourself as a consumer and ask yourself. Delegate as many affiliate marketing tasks as possible if you have a big spending plan. By using other individuals to do the boring, repeated jobs involved in affiliate marketing, you maximize your own time which you can utilize to deal with brand new marketing techniques and methods and research new affiliate services, items, and programs. It's true that your website ought to succeed on its own based on its appearance and your services and items. That stated, you can take it even more by marketing through affiliates. You can always surpass your website, and hopefully, these tips will give you advice on how to create a good affiliate marketing plan. Affiliate marketing can use a lot of different methods depending upon whom you talk or ask to about it. In the world of affiliate marketing, there is always something brand new coming along that can increase your click-throughs, drive more visitors to your website, or improve your analytics. In order to use affiliate marketing, you need to know what keywords are being searched for. When utilizing affiliate marketing, you must keep a list of all pointers or ideas that you have. You can always improve upon your website, and ideally, these pointers offered you suggestions on how to create a good affiliate marketing plan. Thank you for looking at my video from Ian Jackson.